I35equipment.com. This case, XLT 850L Bulldozer. Welcome you to come look at her for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local one-state company if you prefer. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call to get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. As always, hauling is available to your farm or job site. Just fill out the form on our website or send us an email, call or text with your full delivery address. Be happy to share that delivery address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back with you with the best hauling rate that comes back, or you can just come pick it up for yourself. This machine is the XLT series. It has the 6-way blade, full cab, factory HVAC, and a rear hydraulic winch. It's free spool on the way out, so you actually have to pull it out with an air machine or by hand, however you want to do it. And then its power pulls it back in. So we've slightly pulled it out here. He's going to show you it going in. See that coming in. All right, now he's going to operate it for you and go through all the operations on it. Yeah, plenty of power. The six-way blade we're operating there. Should be tight. We'll let him climb out. We'll check out the undercarriage. We'll hop up in the operator station and look it over. Rollers are part of Case Brands, I think they call them the Lifetime Tracks. The hydraulic fluid looks good. There's your winch. It's just a handle control up inside. Nice if you need to pull somebody out or pull yourself out of a sticky situation. It does have dual batteries. Was made in the USA, as was the blade. It's a 110-inch blade. Working work lights on the front and rear. I have not noticed any cracked glass. Factory case seat. I did open this earlier, so I'm going to go ahead and close it so it doesn't get forgotten or we don't get any dirt in here. All right, let's just go through it together. Radio.
Would you help listener-supported Kayla finish the year funded and start the new
Hvac Controls. It's sunny here, but it's a cooler day. But I'm pretty sure that's working AC right there. The fan, definitely working and everything. You got throttle. Also have a foot decelerator if needed. This controls what ratio you want the reverse to be, slower or faster than forward. This is your forward and reverse turning. Hydrostatic transmission control, just up and down. This is going to control the blade. And this is your winch spool. So you can see it's free spool, so you can pull it out. You're pushing it forward, brake off, brake on, and then power is pulling it back. Let's go through all this. This meter was replaced at 4873 according to the sticker here, and it's currently got 1 hour on it, which I'll see error codes. I'll try to run through it with you. Looks like I'm looking in the wrong place, but I know we'll turn it off here in a minute and we'll see those hours. But currently on this one, you see that's all new gauges. Turn the headlights back off, hit the wipers. This wiper was going here earlier. Let's see, horn. Seems like that's about it to show for the interior. And I'm going to turn this off. See, 1.29 hours on this one. And your next service, according to this, is going to be due at 500, which is, I believe it's oil at 500, or checking at 500. And let's see, gonna start it back up for you. See all this slide up and go. 3, 2, 1. Sounds good and strong. If you're unfamiliar, the parking brake is actually automatic, so once you put it in gear, we'll just do that. Put your safety handles down, blade. We'll make sure that it hooks up off the ground on the spool. You throttle it up, you just put it in forward, and your parking brake's gonna go off. 3, 2, 1. You can see there, it went off. And then when we put it back in neutral and pull up the safety bar, that's when your parking brake comes back on. That's about it. Appreciate you watching and hope this video was beneficial to you as always. You can see our full and up-to-date inventory of consignment heavy equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. Have a wonderful day.